Greetings, Blackhawk College, class of 2020. Congratulations to you, your families, and anyone who supported you along the way. Right now, we are celebrating in a socially safe way, but I hope that you still take the opportunity to truly embrace what you have accomplished. Someday, you'll look back at this moment, and you'll be able to tell people about the time your college held a virtual commencement. As you are graduating, leaving Blackhawk College today, so are two of our longtime and beloved members of our faculty. Professors Dan Hogue and Emeriti Whitley are retiring from the college and have been awarded Professor Emeritus status. Professor Whitley joined the college in 1964. She taught in the English department and for 56 years shaped student writers at Blackhawk College. She also generously supported the college's foundation efforts, funding scholarships, and the college's electronic library. Professor Hogue is one of the founding faculty members of Blackhawk East. In over 50 years of teaching at BHE, Professor Hogue created generations of alumni who influenced the world of livestock, judging, and agribusiness. His agriculture competition teams won national championships and helped put Blackhawk East on the map far outside of Western Illinois. Please join me in thanking these two remarkable instructors for their contributions to the students of Blackhawk College. May you live in interesting times. So goes an old saying that is considered both a blessing and a curse. You are leaving Blackhawk in one of the most interesting times in recent history. But as a graduate of BHC, you have the skills and abilities to thrive in an ever-changing world. You've learned to adapt when the college pivoted to an online environment mid-semester. You've adapted to social distancing, Zoom, and off-kilter schedules. Life demanded flexibility, and you were up to the challenge. Another phrase I've heard a lot lately is to treat crisis and opportunity as one and the same. As a person who has survived more than a few crises in his life, let me suggest that you use this moment to keep your focus on the outcome you want and the many ways you can achieve the bright future you're aiming for. Look at what you can do, look at what you want to do, where you want to be, and how you plan to get there. Then get busy moving forward. The philosopher Mike Tyson once said, "Everyone has a plan until they get punched." The virus delivered a heck of a punch to everyone. But you leave Blackhawk prepared to take the hit and deal with what's next. Work hard, think clearly, stay focused on what you want to achieve, and then we will all come out of this stronger, better together. Good luck, class of 2020. Remember, let's be careful out there.